guys! In this video, we're still on the quartiles of group data. But this time, we are going to find for the second quartile. Okay, to have that, let's complete first our table. So to find for the lower boundary, we're just going to look at our lower limit and subtract 0.5 on it. So 31 minus 0.5 will be 30.5. 26 minus 0.5 will be 25.5. 21 minus 0.5 will be 20.5. 16 minus 0.5 will be 15.5. 11 minus 0.5 will be 10.5. 6 minus 0.5 will be 5.5. And 1 minus 0.5 will be 0.5. Okay, now for the less than cumulative frequency, we start at the bottom kasi nandito yung mababang interval natin. So we start with 4 and then we keep on adding the next frequency. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 7 is 37. 37 plus 3 is 40. And 40 plus 10 is 50. Okay? Now, for the interval, we just have to subtract the upper limit with the lower limit plus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 1, we have 5. Okay? For our n, we just have to get the summation of our frequency. So, 10 plus 3 is 13, plus 7 is 20, plus 15 is 35, plus 6 is 46, plus 4 is 50. So, diba sabi ko, ito dapat tally with this one. Then we can have our formula. Since we are finding for the quartile 2, we have to locate it first using Kn over 4. So we have Kn over 4. Ano ba ang K natin? Since we're finding for the second quartile, our K is equal to 2. So we have, this one is 2 times your N, which is 50 divided by 4. Okay? 2 times 50 is 100 divided by 4. So, we have, 25. So, asan dyan yung 25th natin? Nasa anong interval siya? So, wala siya dito. 4, 10, 15. So, nandito siya. Ang second quartile natin ay nandito. Okay? So, dito magagaling lahat ng data natin. Okay? Sa quartile 2 class. Okay? So, we're done with this. So, let's have the lower boundary of our second quartile class. Ano yung lower boundary niya? Ito. So, that's 15.5. Okay? Now, let's have the less than cumulative frequency before. Since this one is before, you're going to get yung bago siya. So, kung ito ang cumulative frequency niya, you go down. Bago yung kanyang less than cumulative frequency. And in this case, we have 15. Okay? For our I, we have 5. And for our F is, ano ang frequency nito? So, we have 15. Okay na to. So, we have to substitute na sa formula natin. Okay? So, we have the lower boundary, which is 15.5 plus our Kn over 4, which is 25, minus the less than cumulative frequency before, which is 15. Okay, times our interval, which is 5, divided by our frequency, which is 15. Wait, the extension. Okay, so we have 15.5 plus 25 minus 15 is 10. Okay, times 5 divided by 15. So we have 15.5 plus 10 times 5 is 50 divided by 15. So we have here 50 divided by 15 plus 15.5. So, we have 18.83. Round off na natin, ha? Okay? So, let's check kung pasok ba siya sa ating interval. Yes. Okay, now you try to find for the second quartile of this data. You solve, okay? And don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!